So I'm over here in the CapCut image editor, and if I were to go around over here and bring in, let's say for example, a certain text right here, then what happens is that it has a certain color over here, just like this. So this has a certain color, and if I were to go around and bring in some shapes right here, and then they have certain colors as well. If I want to go ahead and change around the color scheme of this entire project, then what I can do is I can go around onto the left side where it says design, and over here you can see that there's many design design options, as you can see right here. I can go around and click on any one of them, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and circle around between colors, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have over here. What you can also do is take photo colors, but for that you do need a photo. So you can go around onto photo right here, and let's say for example bring in this photo over here, and based on this you can go around and take sample colors. So now you can go around onto design right here, and you can see the photo colors right here on how they look, and you can go around and choose one, and you can see that the photo colors are applied onto the design that is open. And that is how you can go around and choose your design color theme inside of CapCut's image editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.